How to change location in Tango. So if you want to change location in Tango, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply launch your Tango application. Now, before that, let me tell you that you need to have a VPN. So if you don't have a VPN, you can just simply go with your Play Store. And from here, you need to go with your search and search for any VPN that you're comfortable with. Once you've searched for VPNs, you need to just simply go and install a VPN. In my case, I already have a VPN, which is right here. So if you have any updates on your VPN, you need to just simply go and update it. Once done, you need to open up your VPN service or the application. After opening, you need to just simply go and connect it. After connecting your VPN, you need to go back and then open or launch your Tango application. You need to go and select the location on your VPN where you would like to change your location in your Tango. After that, you need to just simply go and launch your Tango application, and the location within the Tango application will be changed according to your VPN. That's how you can change your location in Tango. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button.
Thanks for watching.